The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Remove the side panel. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the 7 screws securing the top of the glove box assembly using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Install your new AQ1119 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box. Reinstall the side panel. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.